I'll show you how to make a mane out of yarn. You want to get a piece of cardboard that's, this cardboard is 13 inches. You can make it even longer. And we're going to wrap the cardboard with the yarn. You want it to be 4 to 5 inches wide. Now it depends. If you want your mane to be much longer, if you want a real flowing mane, you can make it even wider than that. And you'll just first hold on to the yarn and wrap it. Now don't wrap the yarn, don't pull it tight as you wrap it, because when you cut it, it's going to shrink back and it'll shorten up the mane. So you want to just wrap that loosely, not too tight. And if you go like this quickly and then slide it down, you want to make it fairly thick. So you're going to wrap that quite a while. You're going to wrap that and make it pretty thick. And just keep wrapping. Not pulling the yarn too tight. Wrapping it loosely and then pushing it down to gather it up so you have a nice full mane. The tighter you make it, the thicker you make it, the thicker your horse's mane will be. So it's really up to you how much yarn you put on this. Okay, now when you have all your yarn wrapped around your card like that, as thick as you want it, we're going to take the scissor and cut it off of the cardboard. So slip your scissor underneath and you want to cut it right at the edge. Okay. Make sure your scissor is in there and you're getting all the yarn. And don't let it go flying away. Keep it nice and neat like this. It's all loose now once you cut it, so you want to be careful not to move it around too much. Just keep it nice and flat. And okay. So now you have one cut edge and one folded edge, and you can just shift it down a little to make the two edges even and leave it sort of on the cardboard like that. And then I'll show you next how to apply the fleecy mane and the yarn mane to our horse head.